Hello, I'm Amy Goulet, and this is my Assignment 5 revisions. My assignment or lesson was surrounded around first graders, and it was about research. They were going to be assigned each a different animal to research through epic books after learning the difference between narrative and expository, or fiction, nonfiction, and learning how nonfiction is where you're going to find the most information, the most reliable factual information. And then they have a worksheet to fill out to answer certain questions. It's a very basic research, just learning the concept of it, and then they create a short video using pictures and the information that they found using Adobe Spark. Throughout the research learning process, the students will learn the appropriate problem-solving skills to successfully complete a research project. And if they are successful, they'll produce a short video with information they gathered on their animal, as well as being able to fill out the worksheet given. Some real-world applications would be problem-solving. That's the biggest thing, I think, that I really highlighted a lot in my assignment, because something I have found, especially in first graders, is their lack of problem-solving skills. I think it's so easy with them being so young for them to just allow others to do things for them. And so me teaching them those problem-solving skills and independency is really important for me and for them. I also feel it's important for them to grasp the idea or the concept of research, because in their educational career, as they get older, they're going to have to learn how to do research in more depth, and I think just being introduced to it would help a lot. It would improve their work ethic and understanding that they have to work hard to get the information they need, and then the creativity aspect of it, just kind of getting those creativity ideas moving around and creating their own video, I think is important as well. An informal assessment will just be strictly over teacher observation. I will observe how students gather their information that is needed, how much help they are needing, and how they handle perseverance. I often find kids just wanting to give up or get frustrated and don't want to do it. So if they are persevering throughout this, I think that's going to be a huge step in the right way. Formal assessment would be the student creating the short video and filling out their research worksheet. This is something that I reflected on myself after doing assignment 4, is that I didn't really have a huge self-assess and reflect for students themselves. And so going back to that, I would like to make like a short little student survey, whether online or paper pencil, and having students understand what that means when they're answering the questions, and then I want them to share with a partner. I think this would be a huge social emotional combination that I could take advantage of, having the students understand, like, if they did feel frustrated but they persevered, or they felt frustrated and they gave up, like being able to talk about those feelings and their work ethics, I think would be a huge bonus. Also, something I thought about while reflecting myself over this assignment is I really think I need to take advantage of correlating other subjects and content in with this whole process. One thing I think would be awesome is correlating art into it and having the students create their animal in a 3D form using different materials. I think that would be an awesome aspect to add to their research project. And that's all. Thank you.